Hey, Brewer Feed here. We are getting ready for Super Bowl Sunday. So this year is Kansas City versus, who are they playing? San Francisco. San Francisco is known for seafood. Kansas City is known for Kansas City style ribs. So we're gonna do like a surf and turf type situation with ribs, Kansas City style ribs, and some seafood. And I'm here at Whole Foods to see what they got for me. Brew strong and feed well. All right, Whole Foods, I got the stuff. I didn't get any ribs though. They didn't have any Kansas City style ribs. So I rolled with just the salmon from here, and I would have to go somewhere else and find the ribs. All right, the local grocery store had ribs, but they were frozen. And I said, let me roll over here to Stock Market where they have meat that's not frozen. I could go ahead and season it overnight and get some really good stuff from Stock Market. This is my go-to for all kinds of pork, beef, anything meat. Let's go check them out. All right, I've been prepping and cooking all day and relaxing and just chilling, waiting for Super Bowl. It's raining out here, so you're gonna probably see a few raindrops on the lens, but I'm at the last hour of the cook for the ribs. You've seen my videos before if you follow me. If not, I do the 3-2-1 method, which is 3 hours at 225 bone side down, 2 hours wrapped in foil, bone side up. And then I take it out of the foil for the last hour and keep it the whole time at 225. And then probably every 10 minutes, I spritz her with a mixture of apple juice and the spice blend that I use. In this case, for this one, I use Kansas City style rub because Kansas City's in the Super Bowl. So once these ribs get done and it gets closer to dinner time, I'm also gonna throw some salmon on the grill too. And we're gonna have dry rub salmon, we're gonna have dry rub Kansas City style ribs, and we're gonna have some pork belly burnt ends is what I'm doing. And they're in the oven right now because in order to cook pork belly burnt ends, the temperature needs to be a little bit higher than what my ribs are, so I couldn't put those in here. I did cook them in here for 3 hours at 225 to cook them initially and put barbecue sauce on them mixed with honey so that it would caramelize. I put those in the oven at 275 so they can finish off for another 30 to 45 minutes. Then I'll check them. If they're not done, I'll keep cooking them. Oh, for the sides, we're having mashed sweet potatoes, and we're gonna have green beans. All right, it's time for the salmon. So the salmon part of this dish, the Super Bowl dish, is because San Francisco is a seafood place. Huge fish market there, lots of seafood. They got some special seafood dishes that I was gonna make, but my wife wasn't feeling that. It's called the fisherman's soup. It's like a bunch of different seafoods all in a soup. But so I just rolled with salmon. And so we're gonna do that. The way I cook my salmon is I slow smoke it at 225 for 30 minutes and keep the probes in there so I don't overcook it. So I have temperature probes in here to make sure I don't overcook my salmon because I do not like salmon overcooked, especially when I'm smoking it. So I'm gonna smoke it for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna turn the heat up to about 350. Then I'm gonna let it cook. Salmon doesn't take that long to cook. But I want to slow cook it at 30 minutes to get a lot of smoky flavors in there. But yeah, so that's it. So salmon's on the grill now, pork belly, and the Kansas City style ribs are done. The sweet potatoes are already done. And then I already finished, well, we're gonna cook the green beans at the last minute because they won't take that long to steam, and then drizzle with the lemony butter sauce. So that's it. We're still out here. It's not raining. We're getting the threat of some significant rain, and I think we probably got another hour before it starts pouring down. So this salmon will be done before then. That's it. Peace out. All right, it's getting late. I'm laughing because my neighbors over there yelling. So I don't know what they're doing over there, but it's getting late and the salmon is done. At least it's up to temperature. And then we'll take it out and let it rest, and it should be ready. So we're all done with our Super Bowl dinner. Smoked salmon, ready to go. Let's go take this out and put it in there with the rest of the food, and me and my wife are gonna start chopping it up and get busy.